Every brand wants an engaged and active audience. Most will fail. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel where we discuss practical tips and powerful insights that get your business the perfect customers. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and turn on notifications so that you'll never miss another growth strategy. All right, most brands fail, but not because their content isn't great or the products don't have value. It's just because you're talking to the wrong people. And when you're speaking to the wrong people, you'll always feel like you're shouting off into a void. That's why the most successful businesses, brands, and creators all develop one thing: a crystal clear ideal customer profile, or ICP. Your ideal customer profile is the blueprint for reaching the perfect prospect, crafting the right message that will both nurture while building distribution for your business that's reliable and scalable. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build yours step by step. All right, let's dive in. First of all, let's clear something up. Your ICP isn't just a vague idea of your audience. I can't tell you how many people tell me that they're reaching out to 18 to 35-year-olds who like fitness. That's not an audience, that's too broad. Our real ICP is hyper-detailed, data-driven description of your perfect customer, the ideal customer profile. This person is most likely to engage, most likely to buy, and most likely to refer others to your business. So think of your ICP like it's a bullseye. If you don't know exactly where to aim, you're gonna miss every single time. Now let's break down how we define yours. What's the easiest way to define an ICP? Well, let's look at who already loves you. If you've been in business for a while, we'll take your top customers and analyze them. Who's buying from you the most? Who's engaging with your content? Who refers you to others? Look for patterns across that audience. You might notice, for instance, they have the same job title, work in similar industries, have the same problems, or share common values. This will remove the guesswork. It's actual data telling you who to focus on. And what if your business is just starting? Well, not to worry. One option is to study your competitors. A great tool I use is called SimilarWeb. It helps you identify the demographics, channels, and interests for any website visitor. So look at your competitors, look at similar companies, and look at who goes to their websites. You can also use social listening. Look at who engages with your competitors on platform, or the thought leaders from the industry segments you're targeting. What newsletters, podcasts, and creators speak to the topics that affect your market. You can start to build an audience directly from theirs. Know when you're getting started, it's going to be a volume game, and developing conversations is your primary goal. Conversations that will align and allow you to identify the traits which help to qualify who is going to be an ideal customer for you. Now let's go deeper. Defining your ICP isn't just about looking at current customers or social audience. It's about understanding the entire market or industry. Here are a few ways on how to do it. First of all, you can run surveys and polls, whether on social or whether through your direct audience. Ask real people what they're struggling with. Have your founder and product team talk to existing customers and hear about their pain points firsthand. Or run cold outreach. Each email, message, or sales call provides data that will help identify your qualifiers. And of course, your social. Use comments and replies, create conversations on LinkedIn, Facebook, and X, and also find and participate in Facebook groups and subreddits. Never assume that you actually know your audience. You're gonna have to listen to them, and you're gonna have to qualify those traits. Once you have this info, you'll start to see a clear picture of who your ideal customer is. And everyone, this is where the magic happens. Now that you have the data, you can put together a fully developed ideal customer profile. A powerful ideal customer profile includes 6 key elements. Demographics. This is the age, gender, location, income, all the traits you normally think about when it comes to an audience. But then there's psychographics, interests, values, beliefs, the personality traits that define them. Technographics. What tools, platforms, and devices do they use? This is especially important for digital marketing and B2B. Behavioral data. Where do they shop? What do they consume? What are their daily habits? Also, the goals and aspirations, pain points and challenges. What struggles keep them up at night and what drives them to keep them growing? Now let's go back to looking at our example, the fitness business. A weak ICP again was men and women who I think are 25 to 40 and want to get fit. Now we know a strong ICP is men aged 25 to 35, work in tech, but they struggle with weight gain due to a desk job. They've tried multiple fitness acts but can never stick to them. They can't get a trainer due to their schedule, and they're looking for a habit-based workout system that builds into their own busy schedule. Do you see the difference? One is real broad and generic, while the other is laser focused. That focus is what makes audience building the best marketers and founders. We don't guess. Collecting and analyzing customer data. If you want to try it for yourself right now, here are some of the best tools that you could easily use to refine and track your ICP within your business. First of all, implement site visitor tools such as RB2B, retention.com, Google Analytics, posts, and also SimilarWeb. You can also review social analytics using your publishing tool, Facebook and Instagram accounts, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and X Pro. Make sure you're scoring, segmenting, integrating all that customer data into a CRM. We love HubSpot because it's more than just a database. The more you track, the better your ideal customer gets. And the better your ICP, the faster your audience and revenue grows. Once you establish your ICP, you can go beyond paid advertising to grow your business. So let's start building lists using Zoom Info, government data, social content, or social creators. AI tools such as Apollo and Seamless then enrich that list on Clay and qualify them through outreach. This approach funnels down to repeatedly endear your ideal customer to your business. What are the results? Well, your inbound strategy scales with content that's both keyword optimized and built around what your ICP wants to hear. Meanwhile, your outreach, paid advertising, and retargeting drives better results because it's built to proactively answer soft rejections, and it creates content that speaks to customer problems and solutions. All this means one thing. Your ICP changed, people change, industry shift, their new trends emerge. So how often should you update your ICP? Well, we listen every day and do a structured review every 3 to 6 months. But you've got to ask yourself, are my customers still the same, or is my audience evolving? Are their pain points shifting? Am I reaching them on the right platforms? Businesses that grow truly adapt. So always keep refining, improving, and tweaking your approach. It's not about shouting louder, it's about speaking to the right people. The more dialed in your ideal customer profile, the more powerful your marketing becomes. Your content will resonate, your ads will convert, your customers are going to grow and refer. If you found this video insightful, comment below and let me know what's your biggest struggle when it comes to defining your audience. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you on the next one.